Forever Family is an agency that really feels like home. It's where people come, particularly people who've been affected by parental incarceration, whether that be the children, the caregivers, or the parent in prison. It's a place that they come to work on remaining a family. In my 34 years, what I've found about all of our families is they want what I want. They want a good quality of life. They want their kids to have a great future. And they want to be contributing members of this society. One of the biggest ways that Forever Family helps families stay intact is by taking children to visit their incarcerated parent. In our 34 years, we've taken over 45,000 kids on the road, minimum 3-hour drive, maximum 5-hour drive, to spend 3 to 5 hours in a tiny little space with their parent, doing what families do, which is love one another. Taking the children on that long trek to see their parents is something that we are the only people in this state doing.
Before reading about Forever Family's mission, had never stopped to think about the problem. You know, our kids' parents a lot of times are incarcerated, more than 100 miles from where they live. They may not have a car as a family. They may live with someone who needs to work on the weekends. So if you don't have someone to take you to the prison, you don't get to see your parent. And that just feels wrong. The kids don't see the prison, they see their parent. They're just hanging out with their mom for the day. They're telling them what's going on in school and, just normal stuff. So that's what keeps me going, is their ability to keep doing that with their moms.
For the kids that go through this program, they have a better school performance. They have less behavior problems. For the parents, they're less likely to recidivate when they come out. And I would definitely say the reasoning behind that is because of the hope that they receive when they are able to see their children. They know, I can come back out and I'll be able to have this connection with my child. And that child knows, like, my parent didn't just leave me. They know the reasoning behind it, so they don't have those feelings of abandonment.
Doing the work that Forever Family does, it's hard and it's lonely. And so American Family is now coming alongside of us, right? And through their Free to Dream initiative, they're reminding me that, even after 3 decades of this work, people still need to be free to dream. And it's nice to know that there are more people willing to dream with me and to support the dreams of the children and the families that we serve. And I think that the tears are about, what can we do in this world if all of us come together and we ourselves are free to dream, but we ensure that children and families are free to dream? The sky would be the limit.